Got some original Westinghouse elevators here. Wow. Look at that. Westinghouse. I think these are select-o-matic, apparently. Wow. That's locked. You can only go between 1 and 2. Take a couple rides on this. Wow. All right, we'll send this one up. Oh, it's a damn shame we can't take it anywhere else. Wow. Oh, it's just atoms out here. Still though. Can we call this one separate? Wow. Look at that. Keyless entry system. Wonder what that's for. Is this one unlocked? Same deal. Wow. Look at that door equipment. So unique. Oh my God. So cool to see original stuff like this out in the wild, so to speak. I'm so sad we can't ride it beyond 1 and 2. What is the speed for these listed as? They're definitely geared. No pre-door. 3,000 pound capacity. Send that one up. Excuse me. Really? So we will never know the speed. Okay, cool, thanks. Wow. That is just awesome. Awesome. Shame we can only go between 2 floors, but still awesome we can ride them regardless. That will be it.